The TFY Universal Shelf Mount conveniently holds 5 to 10.5 inches of phones, tablets, iPads, even tissue boxes, onto shelves, tabletops, and benches in various locations like your home, office, workshop, or garage. There are two options for attaching the mount. One, by using the easily installed relocatable screw clamp option. Or two, by permanently screw fixing the base plate to the place where you frequently work or play. By using the shelf mount, you can place your device above or below the shelf or tabletop where it's attached. Once installed onto the base plate, the device mounting clamp can be swiveled left or right to obtain the best screen viewing angle. Also, when not in use, the device clamp may be swiveled 180 degrees for storage and tidiness purposes. The broadly compatible and stable TFY shelf mount will greatly improve your viewing access to online cooking recipes, fitness courses, TV shows, teaching and tutorial videos, and much more.